welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. Said you all yes, your girl is coming through with these hair luxury unboxings. So if you here to see what's in this hair little box, I know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button. Yep, you gotta click on my subscribe button, y'all. You gotta click on the subscribe button so I can continue to keep on showing up with these hair luxury unboxings. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump straight into this hair unboxing because I just did a few videos already, because like I said, I like to pre-film. And this came from Saks. Yes ma'am, Saks Fifth Avenue. I am on a hunt for the perfect small crossbody bag, so that's why you're going to see a ton of unboxings until I decide what I'm going to keep or whatever the case is. So yeah, here is the box. Well, here's the packaging from Saks, and it is a YSL bag. I've been having a hard time with YSL, you all. I don't know. Like I said, I'm new to YSL. Good sometimes to stick with what you know. But like I said, Louis Vuitton makes me sick because they always sold out of everything. I had to venture on over to something new. I never bought this many bags in my life and not sure of not one of them. Because anytime I purchase Gucci and Louis Vuitton, most of the time I know what I want, I purchase it, and that's it. But with this YSL, I've been really having a hard time with choosing the right bag. I don't know why. But it did come in a box, because some things when you order, as far as YSL, when you order from like Nordstrom's, some of those stores you don't get a box. But the bags that I have been unboxing, I have gotten a box, except for I think one of the bags. So yeah, okay. So you get your Saint Laurent card to show that it's the real deal. You can see with the packaging, it is a small size bag. I did have this in the 1-zip. That one was a good size, but I just couldn't fit all my essentials. So I was like, okay, let me just purchase this one, y'all. After this, I think I'm done. Y'all will not see no more YSL bags. Like, I'm done. I'll purchase this one because of the fact that you have two separate pockets, and then you also have a inside pocket. The struggle that I am having is fitting all my essentials. I know I may have to downsize one of my card cases into like a small card case, and I'm fine with that, but I was just having trouble with putting my keys, the card case, and my other items that I want in my bag, because I don't want to have to settle on losing out on a whole lot of things, if y'all get what I'm saying, like not being able to take this and that. But if I can't take my AirPods and a few other things, then it's like it's not going to work for me. I was thinking, I could be wrong, I was thinking, okay, since this is a double zip, maybe it may hold more bag, like this here size bag, to be like an everyday bag for me. As you know, I do have a lot of card cases, so I'm not planning to carry all my card cases. I already know, because they are not going to fit. This is why sometimes I wish the Gucci key pouch had a slot for cards, because if it had a slot for cards, I wouldn't have to worry about anything. Just looking at the Louis Vuitton key card, so yeah, I'm not sure. But yeah, here's my iPhone. I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it do fit here in the middle. With this in the middle, it may take up room on the side. So let's see. This here wallet, if I do carry this bag, I know I will have to probably downsize, but for the sake of the video, let's see if it can fit. So as you can see, it do fit perfectly. Now see, it might be a problem with my keys. So see, okay, so the keys fit, but the way this bag is made, I don't think I can fit any more in here. And see, that's the trouble I've been having with this here particular bag. And I don't know, for some reason I thought because it's a double zip, it may hold a little more. As you can see, it's not holding no more. Stand this here particular item up, because as you can see, it's poking out. See, this is the struggle that I've been having, you all. And I still like to do the unboxings if I keep the bag or not, because like I said before, you never know who is looking to purchase a bag. Did get that in the inside of there. I can't fit nothing else in here, like nothing else. See how this look? I don't know if I like that. But here's the bag. These bags are gorgeous. I'ma just say YSL has some gorgeous bags, but these here small bags are just not working for me. I don't know why. And then the small one, the small bag I like, but like I said, I had an issue with the button. And then the medium and large is way too big for me. I like this particular size bag. Like, I like the puffer. What was the Lulu puffer or the mini puffer or whatever? I like that bag, but I just didn't like the strap. Like, I wish this here, the Lulu puffer, was half chain and half leather. I just didn't like the all leather strap on that particular bag, because that bag was just too fancy to be a all leather strap. And I know you can switch out the straps, but yeah, I don't know, you all. I mean, you can put cards here on the side. Taking it out, I mean, you do have some room. So I do have a lip product. Not that we can wear lip products, but I want to know if I could put like a lip balm, because I do like to have a lip balm. So the lip balm, the lip product do fit. Here, mask. And of course, even though I had my shot, both shots, I still have to wear my mask. So I want to make sure that can fit, which it can, but I haven't put my cards in. And this is why if I had the Louis Vuitton key pouch, I wouldn't have to worry about another key, like another wallet, because of the fact that I have the key pouch. It's a really, really cute bag. It's just not fitting my essentials. Maybe my essentials is just too much. I don't know. Maybe I may need to just stop looking at the small bags. That's probably what it is. For COVID hit, I was that girl who wore Neverfull, Speedies, Artsies and stuff. Like, I always carry a big bag. I have downsized to, you know, much smaller bags, but I think these may be too small for me. Wanted a nice YSL bag. Now, I did purchase one that I am kind of like really feeling, so I may just do with that, because that one did fit my essentials. So that one, between that and this other bag that I have, is my choices. So yeah, I wanted to do this hair unboxing. I'm not taking this stuff off the bag because, as you can see, the bag does not work for me. Not fitting my essentials in here. And like I said, I don't want to have to struggle with, that's another thing, I don't want to have to struggle with getting my stuff out of the bag. Now, if you are that person that just need like an evening bag to go out, you know, to dinner, date night or whatever, this is the perfect bag for that. I was looking for a small bag to be my everyday type of bag. I wasn't looking for this to be just a special occasion type of bag. So if you are looking for that type of bag, then I would recommend this. But for me, I was looking for these here small YSL bags to be like an everyday type of bag for me. Go out to fancy restaurants that often or go out that much, so I'm not looking to like purchase that. And if I ever do go out somewhere and I'll need something like a clutch, I do have my Gucci clutch. I wanted to share the unboxing. After playing with it, I'm gonna play with it some more, but after playing with it on camera, I already see that it's not going to work out for me. Bag probably most likely will go back. It's a beautiful, beautiful bag. Here you have 3 card slots in the inside, which can hold your cards, and then you also have like a deep pocket where you probably can tuck away a few dollar bills or something in the inside. Saint Laurent, I think this is the serial number. Yeah, this is the serial number that matched that card in the inside. And I'll show you some of the strap. The strap is all gold with a little bit of black at the top part of the strap. Yeah, you all, I just wanted to share this unboxing. This bag is so gorgeous. I want to love it, but I don't know. I don't want this video to be super long because I'm tired. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to take this makeup off. So I am going to end this hair video. So if you liked this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really, really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. There will be a next time. I will talk to you later. Bye.